Hello everybody, how are you guys doing today? Why do I have rubber gloves on? You don't really need them on, but I don't like to use stuff that's going to stick on my skin if I can help it. But we're going to be using JB Weld. This is the water weld. I had this left over in my toolbox. I'm going to be using it on my Wild Edge Step. And why am I going to be using it on this? It's not to repair it because these things are, I would almost say, indestructible. But what I'm going to do is I bought a aider also, another aider I'm going to try out. It's a 4-step aider by CMI. They make climbing gear. I already used the JB Weld. I cut this right here. And then I put this JB Weld on here just to keep that slot so I could slide this in. The stuff, listen. Woo! Once it hardens, it's like cement. It's like a piece of steel. So this aider is 4 steps. I should be able to put this step approximately 6'6" on the tree, and then putting this on there, and then with my 5 beast sticks that are coming, climbing sticks, I should be able to get 25 feet up in the air. And if I wanted to use another one of these, I could get over 30 feet. But the problem is I don't want this on the tree, because it'll be on the tree like this. I don't want this on the tree and then this thing to slide to one side or the other. I want this center right over this point that'll be on the tree. So I'm going to build up with JB Weld a couple balls on each side that this thing will be able to sit in. It won't hurt my step at all, and it won't be any different, make it difficult for me to step on here with my boot. So let's get going. If you've never used JB Weld, I'll show you how it's used. So here's JB Weld. It's like a little clay. Take off the little silver cap, a little piece of aluminum it's like. Cut yourself a section of JB Weld. So all I'm going to do is, stuff will harden, set in about 25 minutes. So we're going to do one side first, and we'll do both. Just going to cut ourselves a section of JB Weld. Put your top back on right there, your little silver piece. Drop it back in, put the top on, and you're good to go. Now you've got a piece of JB Weld here, and you'll see it's got gray in the center and white on the outside. All you're going to do is play with this like putty. Mix it up good. See how it's not sticking to my gloves? If you do this with your hands, when I did the little S hook, it was all over my fingers. So then I just play with this, let it really get going. And what I've done, I'll let this keep going, is I've marked the center of my stick, and then I've got 2 little red lines on there. And that is where I want the JB Weld to go up to, and that way it'll sit right in the middle and won't be able to slide back and forth. So we're just mixing it up a little bit. Just get it mixed good so you don't see just white or just gray. Oh, this is so much nicer than when I had it on my fingers. It's hard to get off. Go get some water on it and try and get it off. All right, so we've got it here. So let's roll it a little bit, and then we will basically rip it in half. So we have 2 pieces. I take this one piece here, and we can roll it again. So here I'm going to speed it up to make it a little bit faster for you, so you don't have to sit there and watch me play with clay too long. So basically I'm just forming it, trying to get it right where I want it. Just continue to work it. I'll put it on the other side also. Just pushing it down hard. Get rid of it, make sure I don't have any air bubbles underneath. Just get it nice and smooth. I'll continue to play with it and just get it the way I want it. There's no specific way it has to be. I just wanted to make sure that it holds the hook into the center and doesn't slip either to the left or to the right. And that's pretty much it. I'll let that dry, and then it'll harden as hard as steel. And if I want to paint it, I can paint it. But that way at least my thing will sit right in the middle and won't be able to go slide either to the left or to the right. Great way to use JB Weld. See you guys later, and we'll come back and I'll show you when it's hard as a rock, all right? All right, so it has hardened. So listen. And that's nice, hard as a rock. Yeah, it sets in 25 minutes. It'll be fully cured in 1 hour. And so now, when this is on the tree, I will be able to put my aider string right on there. And I won't have to worry about it slipping to the left or to the right. So I'll have my weight on here, and that'll be just perfect. It'll keep it right centered, lined up perfect with the point right here, which would be in the tree. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and we'll continue to do little small projects, and we'll be starting to build some more stuff in the workshop also. See you guys later. Adios. Hit that subscribe button. Thanks. Bye-bye.